10 keyboards with anti-ghosting technology, no more missed keystrokes. Title: 10 keyboards with anti-ghosting technology, no more missed keystrokes. Introduction. In the fast-paced world of gaming and efficient typing, the last thing you want is a keyboard that misses your crucial keystrokes or fails to register multiple simultaneous inputs. That's where Keystroke with anti-ghosting technology come to the rescue. These advanced keyboards are designed to ensure that you never miss a keystroke, providing seamless and accurate performance. In this article, W. E will explore 10 keyboards with top-notch anti-ghosting technology that guarantee a superior typing and gaming experience. 1. Logitech G513 Carbon. The Logitech G513 Carbon is a highly acclaimed gaming keyboard known for its exceptional anti-ghosting capabilities. Equipped with Logitech's Lightspeed wireless technology, this keyboard provides a seamless connection and rapid response time. Its advanced anti-ghosting feature allows for up to 26 simultaneous key presses, ensuring precision and accuracy during even the most intense gaming session. ONS. 2. Razer Huntsman Elite. The Razer Huntsman Elite is a popular choice among gamers due to its remarkable anti-ghosting mechanism. Featuring Razer's optomechanical switches, this keyboard boasts impressive response times and minimal actuation force, allowing for rapid inputs without any interference. With its anti-ghosting capabilities, the Razer Huntsman Elite is an excellent choice for both gaming and typing enthusiasts. TS. 3. Corsair K70 RGB. Regarded as one of the best gaming keyboards, the Corsair K70 RGB offers a premium anti-ghosting experience. Equipped with Cherry MX switches, this keyboard guarantees accurate and seamless keystroke. The K70 RGB's superior build quality and advanced anti-ghosting technology make it a top choice for gamers who demand precision and reliability. 4. SteelSeries Apex Pro. The SteelSeries Apex Pro is a high-performance keyboard that offers exceptional anti-ghosting capabilities. It features dynamic per-key RGB illumination and customizable actuation settings. With its advanced anti-ghosting technology, the Apex Pro ensures that every keystroke is registered accurately and precisely, providing a seamless gaming and typing experience. 5. HyperX Alloy Elite RGB. Known for its durability, the HyperX Alloy Elite RGB is a keyboard that prioritizes both style and functionality. With its reliable anti-ghosting technology and customizable RGB lighting, this keyboard offers an immersive gaming experience. The HyperX Alloy Elite RGB's solid construction and tactile feedback make it a great choice for gamers and typists alike. 6. Ducky 1-2 Mini. The Ducky 1-2 Mini is a compact keyboard that punches above its weight when it comes to anti-ghosting technology. 7. Asus ROG Strix Scope RX. Designed specifically for gamers, the Asus ROG Strix Scope RX boasts impressive anti-ghosting capabilities. With its wrist rest, customizable RGB lighting, and responsive switches, this keyboard offers a comfortable and precise gaming experience. The ROG Strix Scope RX's advanced anti-ghosting technology guarantees seamless inputs for fast and accurate gameplay. 8. Alienware Low Profile RGB. The Alienware Low Profile RGB keyboard is an excellent choice for both gamers and professionals who value anti-ghosting performance. with its ultra-thin low-profile keys and customizable RGB lighting. This keyboard stands out visually while still providing precise and reliable inputs. Designed for comfort and durability, the Alienware low-profile RGB is a popular choice among keyboard enthusiasts. 9. The Vigor GK50 Elite. The Vigor GK50 Elite is a feature-rich gaming keyboard that excels in anti-ghosting technology. With its robust construction and comfortable key layout, this keyboard ensures accurate and reliable keystrokes in the heat of intense gaming battles. The Vigor GK50 Elite's excellent anti-ghosting capabilities make it a top contender in the keyboard market. 10. DOS Keyboard 4 Professional. Known for its high-quality construction and premium typing experience, the DOS Keyboard 4 Professional is equipped with advanced anti-ghosting technology. Combined with its mechanical key switches and comfortable keycaps, this keyboard provides precise and effortless typing. Whether you're a professional typist or a passionate gamer, the DOS Keyboard 4 Professional offers unparalleled performance. While the technology underlying anti-ghosting might seem complex, its benefits are straightforward. No longer will you have to worry about missed keystrokes or jumbled inputs. These 10 keyboards, Fro M Logitech to Razer, offer exceptional anti-ghosting capabilities that will enhance your gaming and typing experiences. The Logitech G513 Carbon takes the lead with its light-speed wireless technology and the ability to register up to 26 simultaneous key presses. It provides a seamless connection and rapid response time, ensuring precision and accuracy even during intense gaming sessions. The Razer Huntsman Elite is another popular choice among gamers, thanks to its optomechanical switches that provide rapid inputs without any interference. Its anti-ghosting capabilities make it an excellent option for gaming and typing enthusiasts alike. If you're looking for a premium gaming keyboard, the Corsair K70 RGB should be on your radar. Equipped with Cherry MX switches, it offers precise and seamless keystrokes. The K70 RGB's superior build quality and advanced anti-ghosting technology make it a top choice for gamers who prioritize precision and reliability. For a high-performance keyboard, consider the SteelSeries Apex Pro. It features dynamic per-key RGB illumination and customizable actuation settings. With its advanced anti-ghosting technology, every